colors for your boys and girls. We got the tezzyboi Savage Mode hoodie. We got the Hope shirt, which is basically the shirt. We got the zipper jackets. You guys, look at this. Ooh, spicy. My favorite drop right here. We have all colors in the hoodies. So go ahead and get you a hoodie right now and rock that mud. Ooh, spicy.
Stupid. Hey, I did the most for the bands. Niggas can't tell.
Hello guys, last night was the most exciting time of my life. You guys, bro, basically I beat the odds, bro. To be honest, I didn't say nothing about this, but I felt that I had to say something about it. So at this point, I said something about it. And this is what happened. Oh! Yeah! It was this close. I pass English, baby. Let's get it. This is time to empty up the trash can for sure. Spoil everything. My goal for the day is to drink plenty of water today. All right, you guys, so basically I am right now inside the Dodge Charger. As you guys can see, everything still works. See, horn, everything still works, basically. It's just, my baby is just sick. That's really it. They gotta go to the hospital. You gotta get checked. To be honest, I think my car is just stuck in limbo. It was literally not going past third gear. Like, it was not shifting gears. Third gear was not, it was no bueno at first. So the tow truck is gonna be on this way. They'll take it to the shop. Hopefully I can go and see, like, when it get dropped off. I probably might be able to go and see. Bring you guys along so you guys can find out. So you guys can really find out. But when your car is like your car not feeling good, it brings your energy down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Because you know this is your, to get around and move around. And then it's so expensive, you guys. Like, it's expensive, and these kind of cars be going crazy. Last night I saw a wreck at my job. Literally, dude just got off work and his Dodge Charger ran into the guardrail and he's totaled it. He totaled it. So just take accountability of what you can. Just take accountability and think about everything. You know what I'm saying? Be thankful for what you have right now in this moment, because it could be all taken away from you just like that. Bro. See you, Ghost. Have a good time at the doctor. Hopefully they give you snacks. Yeah, I was on my way back. I had to drop her off. I had to drop her off.
I know it. I was gonna tell you to go in there and tell him exactly what it's doing.
Okay, I got
His name Print.
Print?
Short little black man.
Print?
Yeah, he right here.
Where I park?
I had to get Mike to help me with it, but I'll let you know. Let me get caught up here.
Okay.
I can call as soon as I look at it.
Alrighty. Thank you.
And
you want to shout the business out?
Go ahead, shout it out.
Go ahead. You can tell them.
Come see me at Prim's Automotive, 801 East Trinity Lane. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Hey, have you done anything different? Anything
Like
out of
mods,
origin?
yeah.
And just all of a sudden it just went to limbo. Acting, okay.
Yeah, acting
Checking
crazy.
light was came on and everything.
It was flashing.
Flashing, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So-
Sound like you got like a misfire. Okay.
Misfire, yep. That's what it said on what's name.
Yeah, that's what it sounds.
Yep, we go Ghost right here. Let's say Ghost.
Everybody want to play with it.
And everybody want them, but they don't know.
They don't know. Get away. Get away. Yep.
The problems that come with them too is it's
Yep.
up there. So it's like, jeez. But thank you, man.
Thank you. Nice meeting you, sir.
Nice to meet you too.
All
My
right.
name is Tez.
My name William.
All right,
All right. Thank you,
my
sir.
guy. And it feels like GTA a little bit, man. Like, we got a Jeep right here. It's a nice little Jeep, I ain't gonna lie to you. What the heck? What did that? But look at this 5.0. Bro. Sick. I just know. Sick. Can't be nothing but sick. Oh, somebody hit it from behind. Sick. I know this man was a baddie. Sick. Hey, Charlie. Alright. That mud was loaded. That mud, it's broken. Yeah, they broke it. It's crazy. Alright. They finna check out Ghost and see what's wrong with him and get him back to normal. I'm finna get back to the Jeep and we're gonna go back and do what we gotta do. He gonna give me a call. He got the hood up over there. I'm gone. See ya. For the people that want sports cars, I'm gonna tell you guys this. It's not always gonna be, you know what I'm saying, it ain't always good. I literally watch a guy literally from my job clock out and wreck his Dodge Charger. It could have been me. Now, this is minor stuff right here. He totaled his car and I'm still able to drive my car. So let's look at the big picture right there. You feel me?
Bye, have a great time.
Bad bitch wanna fuck me, get your ass in. Don't you ain't gon' run out all that fashion.